Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you a plugin called WP Traffic Up. You can use this plugin as a pop-up that will come up on any page or post and redirect anyone to wherever you want them to go. It's a nice plugin, it works, but there are a few limitations, so it may not be right for you. That's why we're going to walk through it, show you what it's all about. Once you load it up, you'll enter in your license keys and choose your options. So I have a display close button on pop-ups. This is so that they can get out of your pop-up once you take over the entire page, because it's a full page, full screen pop-up. And then I have the cookies off, so I'm going to display it every time. And then enable mobile delayed mode. What this means is that your pop-up will show up on mobile after a select amount of time. If you uncheck this, your pop-up will not be displayed on mobile, because the only way your pop-up is displayed is through exit intent. That means that it tracks your mouse, and when the mouse goes up to the exit sign, wherever it may be, your pop-up will be shown. Since that isn't available on mobile, it will not be shown on mobile unless you click this and have a delay, which means you must have the other one of display a close button checked, because if you have it pop up on mobile and it takes over the screen, they're not going to stay on your site. They're just going to close it out unless they go through with whatever that pop-up says. You can also enable it site-wide, meaning if you have a lot of posts on your website and you want to just put it on all of them, you can do that. The only trouble is you can only have one URL, and each pop-up is only done through a URL, so you're not creating pop-ups with this plugin. It's a URL-based plugin. Once you're done with that, save the changes, and now we are going to go create a new post so you can see what it looks like. So there's our post. Go down here, we are going to enable this. One thing to note with the URL is that you must have a URL that enables iframing. So we're going to choose our own home page and then hit publish. And once it's published, we'll view the post and take a look at how the pop-up works. So we'll go up here to the exit, and there it is. There's our home page. You see over here, here is the red X to get out of it, and now we're back on the page. Let's try something else. We'll go down here and choose Google as our link, hit update. Now Google does not allow iframing, so watch what happens when we refresh this page, and we're going to go up here to an exit intent. We have spinning gears. If we go back to our post, you'll see here there's a red error that says it is blocking traffic up because they don't allow iframing of the URL. So if you test your pop-up and there's a problem where you get spinning gears, or if you get your logo or whatever type of image you have selected to load, you have all kinds of options here that you can choose from. So if you have that where it's loading and nothing happens, check your post and make sure that URL allows iframing. Once it allows iframing, then it will work. So as you can see, the pop-up traffic plugin works pretty well. It does a good job for its purpose. Exit intent, full page pop-up. But if you want any kind of customization, this isn't the plugin for you. If you want a full page pop-up, like you're going to put your email offer or your opt-in or some type of free download, then this would work perfectly for you. And in that case, you can grab it using the link in the description below. While you're down there, comment on this video and let me know what you think about the plugin, this review, or any other thoughts you may have. Also, subscribe to this channel for other plugin reviews, software reviews, and general hints and tips. Click on the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos, and also click on the like button on this post. Use those social media sharing icons and share this video with your friends as well.